Right, what's going on? Smart here again, back with another awesome video. Let me show you something. Can you see this percentage gain right here? 54,000%. That's quite massive, right? That's exactly what I'm about to walk you through on this video. And this is Coin Gecko Terminal. And the reason I'm making this video, I made a similar video as touching this before, but this is specifically for decentralized finance also, and it's interesting to follow the video through because you're really going to learn a lot. Look at decentralized finance tracker. So it only tracked coins that are listed on the decentralized finance space, right? So look at all these coins listed right here. These are decentralized. So all these are coins that are listed on a decentralized finance space. So all these coins right here, like this coin that I showed you that performed what 54,000%. This coin right here, Sabi, this coin right here, USDT. So that's exactly about what you choose. You spot coins like this, you can turn your $1 to $52,000. You can turn your $1 to $10,000. With just a little amount, that's the power of cryptocurrency, because cryptocurrency is highly volatile, and this is not to make you to invest in any cryptocurrency or not. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm showing you what's possible in the cryptocurrency market, because some people, they doubt this stuff about cryptocurrency. What about people that make money out of nothing? Like those people that make money from airdrop, they are making money out of nothing because that's literally free money. So imagine you investing and turning your investment into $10,000, just a little amount in a short period of time. That's exactly what I'm about to walk you through. So when you go to Gecko Terminal right here, as you can see here, you can filter. I've made a video as touching this before, and how you can spot cryptocurrency immediately it comes outside. 1 second, 2 seconds, you can spot on. And if you don't want to go through all those routes, don't worry, I got you. So if you come to this decentralized finance tracker, everything I'm saying on this video is going to be linked on the description, so just do well to check it out. You can see what Ethereum chain. Trust me, there's a lot of noise in the decentralized finance space. Let me show you something right here. Can you see this market right here? Then can you see this ETH gas? And the one that is most important is this network right here. We've got 84 networks. Look at 470 dexes. Look at the pools right here and the tokens. Can you see the tokens, right? That's 1.2 million. So, there's a lot of noise in, decentralized finance and, decentralized finance space, if you want to really, go deep into it. So, for you to just clear out the noise, and if you want to make money real quick in this crypto market, here is what you need to do. Can you see this filter volume right here? Let me show you this. Can you see this top volume right here? For you to filter all the noise that are right here, because for you to spot a cryptocurrency that is going to perform very well, or a token that is going to perform very well, you take a lot of research, and and you don't want to go through that route. So what you need to do is you just come to this top volume right here, click on this top volume, and you know what will happen. Just come to this chart right here. You're going to see the coins that are doing very, very well in terms of trading volume. Look at this right here. We've got USDC, which I said that people should buy, and can you see the price that USDC is trading right now is $1. Like those people that bought when I said that they should buy, that repeg is coming. Presently, as I'm speaking to you, it's trading at $1, so they have made some 8% or 9% profit right now, and that is pretty massive because the stock market give an average return of just 10%, and that's massive, bro. So but we are not talking about that though. So you can go and track other coins also. Can you see this? 1.15 million right here. You can see the next one. So it filters the the trading volume right here. So for you to clear out the noise, that's exactly what you need to do. But that's not even my point. You can see you can also see top gainers right here, the coins that are really, really performing very well. Can you see the top gainers right here? And So look at the top gainers right here. Can you see what? 24,000%. So you are turning like your $10 into, $10,000, $20,000, $30,000. That's exactly what is going to happen. Can you see this 7,000% plus? Can you see this 5,000% plus? This is real time, and I'm showing you all these things crystal clear. For you to really clear out the old noise, you just come on here and click on this show trend right here, so that it will show the trend. Show trend. If you click on this show trend right here, look at what will happen right here. Can you see that? You're going to see most view pool, like the pool that people are viewing. That's the token that people are viewing the most in a decentralized finance space. When it comes to CoinGecko terminal, you're gonna literally see that. Look at this. We've got some couple of coins here. You can check all these things out, and can you see the percentage gain right here? Most viewed pool. You also come to what top gainers right here. You can see what this coin that we've talked about. So you can use it to track all the top gainers right here. If you want to, clear out all the noise, you can see the 5,000%. You can see 4,000%. You can see what 3,000%. 3,000%, 2,000%. Very, very important. And if you click on all these coins, it just been listed for like 12 hours, sometimes 6 hours, 8 hours. You can use, this is real time right here, so you can literally use all these things to track it. And you can also look at the top losers right here. And let me tell you why this trading volume is important right here, and this top gainers is important, because when you look at the trading volume in any coin, if the trading volume is pretty massive, and come to think of it, you will know that the coin is actually legit. If the trading volume is like 10 million or 15 million, you kind of think that the coin is pretty legit, and if you invest on it, you can cash out within 24 hours, 48 hours. And that means people are buying and selling. That's exactly what it means, because you're going to see, you're going to be able to track the buy volume and the sell volume. That means the coin doesn't have a high point. For you not to go through the route of analyzing lots of what contract address, you're trying to analyze whether a coin is actually legit or not, or whether the coin is fake or not. For you not to go through this route, come to this Gecko terminal and session top gainers, and look at the liquidity, look at the trading volume, and you also look at percentage return, and you are good to go. You can literally turn your little amount into large amount. And as I earlier said, it comes with a lot of research, and you can't just go, because you literally have to be on the sharp monitoring all these things. That's why it's a lot. That's why it's really a lot. So if you like what I do, smash the like button as always. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you've got a comment for me, drop in the comment below. I'm smart. Definitely going to see you on the next one. Peace out for now.